Hey guys, check out this radio upgrade I got from my van, right? So let me tell you, right off the bat, they sent this to me as a gift because I desperately needed to upgrade the radio in this, right? But unfortunately for me, I was not able to get the radio out. I'm not able to, change the wires. I do none of that stuff. So this is an amazing piece of technology that came through. Not only is it, an Android Auto for me or the iPhone Auto for you, but it also has two cameras, a front camera and a back camera that's going to give you that, parking assist. It's going to let you see when you're going in reverse, and then also it's going to be recording. So this is great for 2025 when you have crazy drivers out there, and sometimes things happen, and if you have a recording of it, that's fantastic, right? So the recording feature of this is going to give you a recording loop, and it comes with a card already inserted inside of it, right? That's full of room, that's going to give you plenty of room to record your rides. And not only that, you can adjust the quality of it from 4K all the way down to 720p. So that's great, right? And then I love all of the radio features with it. So you can just use the radio transmitter. So with that, you're able to connect your phone to Bluetooth to this, and then you're gonna have full control of your phone, your GPS, your music, everything that's on your phone, you're gonna have full control of. You're gonna be able to adjust the apps and set up your home screen just the way you want it, just like an Android device. This is amazing, right? And then on top of that, you got the radio, you got the cameras, you got your cell phone, you have everything that's included in this. You're gonna have voice control. So you know what, you're gonna hit that button and be like, hey, give me directions how to get home, and it's gonna pop it right up on that screen for you. You're gonna be able to adjust the display brightness at nighttime. There's just so many different features that's involved in this. Installation for me, it took about 20 minutes all in all. So I do have some prior experience installing radios and cameras and whatnot, so it might have been a little bit easier for me, but this was a breeze, I tell you. I took that rear camera to the back, and I was able to mount it right on my light back there, and there was plenty enough wire to run it through the side all the way up to my front, and then I ran it down into the device. So that's fantastic. And then for the power, it's plugged into that cigarette lighter, so I was also able to run that right from my dashboard underneath in it and into my cigarette lighter. So you can't see any of the wires. It looks professional, and it took me 20 minutes. So my wife's gonna be a happy woman when she gets in the car now and sees this fancy little screen up here. No more complaining of hitting bumpers when she's backing up. This is gonna be fantastic. So all in all, if you're looking for a way to upgrade your radio, this right here is gonna be the way to go. This thing is fantastic.